In this video, I will show you in a quick and practical way how to use Claude inside Cursor to Code with the help of artificial intelligence. First, go to the official Cursor website and download the editor if you do not have it installed yet. After installing Cursor, open the program and sign into your account. Next, open the settings by clicking the gear icon or using the settings shortcut. Inside the settings, look for the AI models section. Cursor allows you to connect different AI models, including Claude, using an API key. Now, go to the Anthropic website, log into your account, and copy your Claude API key. Then, go back to Cursor and paste the API key into the appropriate field to connect Claude to the editor. Save the settings to confirm the connection. Once Claude is connected, you can start using AI directly inside Cursor to generate code, fix errors, and build new features. Simply open a code file and use the built-in chat panel to ask questions or request changes. This helps speed up development and improve productivity while coding. And that's it. Now you know how to use Claude inside Cursor quickly and easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.